The City Council in Aurora has just approved an ordinance that would restrict the use of city property for immigration enforcement activities. Chicago and other communities have installed similar rules, but would these actions pass a legal challenge? ABC 7's John Garcia taking a closer look.
Aurora is among the latest northern Illinois cities considering or passing a ban on federal agents making arrests without a warrant on city-owned property. But there are questions about how effective those laws can be. Late last month, federal agents were checking out a parked car in an Aurora public school parking lot when activists questioned them. Ruben Morales says the agents then started beating him and took him into custody.
They didn't even tell me I was being arrested or anything. They just threw me in handcuffs.
The school district has since passed its own ordinance banning agents from being on their property without a warrant. Meantime, the agents also arrested fellow activist Jessie Olazaba, and in the process, she hit her head on the concrete and needed medical treatment. The activists, including Aurora Mayor John Lash, showed up at the hospital where they confronted agents. Lash is now supporting a proposed city ordinance banning agents from using city property without a warrant.
This creates that opportunity for us to all do a little bit more in a very challenging and frustrating situation where ICE is operating outside of the boundaries of the law, violating people's constitutional rights.
The Aurora City Council is debating the proposed ordinance at a special meeting tonight. They join numerous other communities, including Chicago, that have passed similar ordinances in the last few weeks. Legal experts, however, question how effective these laws are when federal agents are also protected by the U.S. Constitution.
The supremacy clause, where the feds really can do what they want and can trump state laws, but where states have their rights as well. And it's a very gray and highly debated area.
Ultimately, those debates will have to be settled in court, but to date, none of these new ordinances have been challenged in court to determine whether they're constitutional.